Well, the cold front came through today, and before it actually pushed its way through our region, gave us a little bit of rain, and unfortunately, it was just a little bit. We're talking about 1/4 of an inch out of Waco, just a few hundredths of an inch in Temple, Killeen. Even Lampasas only getting about 1/10 of an inch. Mostly down into the Brazos Valley, we're starting to see a little bit more in terms of accumulation, but overall, not a lot. But what you really notice is the big drop in temperatures brought in by the northerly winds that are going to continue to gust over the next couple of days and continue to keep temperatures well below average, getting down to the freezing point and staying there for the next couple of days. Here's that main front, and has passed its way through much of central Texas and now pushing down into southern Texas. Most of the rain and severe thunderstorms that are possible tonight are going to stay near the Gulf of Mexico, pushing out into Louisiana. You can see all the rain well out to the east. Locally now, we're just left with a lot of that cloud cover. That's going to stay in the forecast really for the next couple of days, just because the front itself, it's going to stall out, and we're just going to continue to get bombarded with more and more rain. Speaking of which, tonight it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be cold, it's going to be gusty. We're talking sustained winds about 15 miles per hour from the north, gusting up to about 20-25. Low temperatures tonight at about 33 degrees. Wind chills are dropping down another 10 degrees on top of that. 22 in Temple, Waco, Killeen, Hamilton, Goldthwaite, Comanche, getting down into the teens. So if you are having any outdoor plans, certainly bundle up. Tomorrow, we're not talking about anything too much different. Some ice is possible, ice accumulation well out to the far western parts of the I-35 corridor. 34 degrees is the high, about 30% chance of showers. I'm going to show you exactly what I have in store for you guys. So starting right around 9 o'clock, few little spritz and sprinkles here and there. You see a little bit of that pink. That's going to be freezing rain. That's basically when the rain falls and it freezes once it hits the ground. Ice is not exactly what we want. A little bit more around 11 a.m. going into Killeen, Lampasas, as well as Gatesville. Most of that pretty much pushes well out of our region by around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, just cloud cover throughout the day. Then Tuesday morning, we start to see more widespread freezing rain. A lot of that really coming in during the middle of the day, right around your lunch hour. We're talking about significant ice. We're talking maybe even half an inch in terms of that. That's going to cause significant travel issues over the next couple of days. So we're going to keep our eye on it. Of course, that's exactly why we have that winter storm watch in effect. In terms of rainfall amounts, not expecting a whole lot really until we go into Tuesday. That's where we see a lot more rainfall. Of course, I'll be posting this online. Here's those rain totals for you for the next couple of days. High chances, especially ice accumulation by Tuesday, but don't worry, we start to warm up again by the end of the week going into next weekend.